So, hello everyone.
पहले
Welcome.
मेरी बात सुन पहले.
Yes, you speak.
It's too cold wind here now and it's too cold outside though we are under the sun. So what I was saying is that a lot of you are beginners and you feel that you don't have content or particular topics to describe or speak on or practice on a regular basis. So I'm going to highlight a few things here. As you have witnessed that we have uploaded around 13 videos related to this task, which is a challenge of 90 days, and today is the 14th day. You must be thinking that what topic we should be speaking on, right? So if you see in this on this channel, there are videos related to my mom's shop that he described, and then my room he described. So the meaning of it is that no matter what in front of you, whatever is there in front of you, trees, weather, then the rooms, the things there are, and how you built them, how you purchased them, when, with whom, about feelings, about the time, about the circumstances, about the people, whatever comes in front of you, you can describe that. So today he is going to describe this particular bike, how he purchased it, and how much he is connected to it, whatever it is related to it, about and him, that what he feels about it. So today is the day 14 of 90-day challenge and he is going to describe this. And you also have to do the same thing if you are following the challenge, and I hope that you guys are following the 90-day challenge, in which day 14 you can describe something unique that you have purchased in your life. Now over to you.
So now guys, hello everyone. अब मैं start कर सकता हूँ and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I am going to share about my bike journey. Okay, and first of all, August 2024, I went to purchase new bike, and then so first of all I went Hero showroom, and I see bikes there, and but I did not like any bike there, and so then I went TVS showroom. So this bike is brand name of TVS Rider, and then I went TVS showroom, and I see this bike, and because my requirement is other and see as a like mileage and thodi looking sportsy look and comfortable, so that's why I like this bike. And I see multiple types of bikes, TVS showroom, but then I see this bike, and then I like this bike because it's very comfortable, and look wise it's a very sporty look. It's normal not a normal bike, ठीक है? Everyone see this bike, then it look like a sporty look, and very comfortable, and riding time very comfortable, and the colors and the mileage is very good. And if I talk about mileage, the bike give me around 50 kilometers per liter mileage, and it's a very good for bike purpose. And I talk about passengers, and 2 to 3 passengers easily sit on this bike and ride. And I have not ride upon 100 kilometers per hour, and riding time is very comfortable. And if I see meter, so you can please close here, and then you see this bike suggest me multiple types of helpful, because he guys, one second. So now you can see guys meter, and here is guys this bike suggests me average mileage, and mileage matlab give me mileage, and suggest me matlab range and mileage. Okay, so then you see guys, here is button, and like we connect our mobile phone, we can connect mobile phone through Bluetooth, and through wire, and we charge our mobile, and so it's a very comfortable. So you can see this is plug, okay, and looks wise is very amazing. And you can see guys, in backside little space for diggy type, okay. So I can keep my documents and like documents, papers, so all here I sit there. So it's very easy, it's very comfortable and very amazing. So the bike is very good, and I really very happy to get this bike, to purchase this bike. And if I talk about bike price, so when I purchased in August 2024, the bike price near about 1,25,000. But at present in price मतलब गिर चुके हैं थोड़े, प्राइस को क्या बोल देंगे,
reduced,
price reduced because of GST. You know guys, GST हट चुका है बाइक से, every vehicles for cars and bikes. So that's why little bit cheap, and this bike now. And
so what's the current price of it?
I think current price 1,10,000 या 1,20,000 near about. So it's very amazing. So, and I am very happy to purchase this bike. So that's all about my bike. If you like this video, and to like and comment and subscribe to my channel. We will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.